What's up, everyone? Major Tom here. Welcome back to another episode. We're doing the post-market rundown today, and we're going to start off with, holy cow, BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, just exploding today, up 15%. Anyone who watched my last video and was buying calls and was getting into Bed Bath & Beyond and GameStop, you know, meme stocks in general did great today, so congratulations. Way to get those gains. Today, to kind of celebrate and everything like that, and just, you know, my small trading account for my YouTube content had $300 like 2 weeks ago, and now it's sitting at like $3,000. So obviously the signals that the automated program that I made that buys and sells options and everything and puts alerts in the chat is doing great. I'm not trying to sell you on or anything. If you're a new viewer, it's all free. Just join the Discord. The link's going to be down in the description below. You can just use the call and put signals, and there's also like a bot that tells you in the chat. Anyways, to celebrate our massive success, I've decided to go ahead and get a Ortex subscription for this year for the channel. I know that this is very expensive. We talked about this in the past and everything. And we're just going to get right into what I see on Ortex just from having the subscription right now. All right, so today, EVGO actually pinged a significant short squeeze buy signal for a small cap. It's got a 75% track record. It's returned on average 15% over the last 3 trading days. So success rate on this, it looks like you have a 75% success rate should you choose this trade. The recommended holding period for the stock is 3 days. Your maximum return that's suggested is 43%, and your minimum return or your risk is about 4% loss. All right, so if you're trying to take this trade, I recommend setting a 4% stop loss and entering EVGO right about here. Now, I haven't checked if EVGO has options or not. I'm going to assume they do. But if you take a look at this, there was recently call symbols printed right before close on the 3-minute chart, which is a day trading type setup. If you want to go into a different kind of play, if you want to try using some of this Ortex short trading data, I recommend taking EVGO. Okay, one of the reasons why is because it has a short squeeze type 3, which is very strong. Also, just looking at fundamentals right here, we got estimated short interest percentage of the free float is currently at 35.82%. Shares on loan about 32 million. Short interest value is estimated to be about $220 million. Days to cover all the short interest is about 11.4 days. The cost to borrow, min and max, is sitting at 48% to 52%, which is actually pretty high. Cost to borrow average is actually over here at 51%, sorry. And the utilization, of course, is 100%. So we obviously have a short squeeze setup here. The only question is, how high is it going to go? And again, the type of returns that we're looking for here are, obviously, if you want to play it safe, you can go for 15%, but I think your maximum return that you're going to get out of this is about 40%. It's a really easy play. If you want to take this, go right on ahead. I'm probably going to look at buying calls going into tomorrow. Also, with the new Ortex setup and the new symbols and everything, I've actually started an idea. So in the Discord, as if you've been in the Discord before and you've been trading like we have, it pings you with calls and puts. I manually set those calls and puts alerts, all right, on different securities and everything. I think that I'm going to start using Ortex like this and go to shorts, right? And starting with the highest short squeeze score, any company that has options, I'm going to start alerting whatever side. Well, obviously, if it's a short squeeze, it's going to be all calls, but maybe, 5 to 10 alerts are going to be short squeeze calls every day. And I think we're going to be going into like every kind of, they also have these stock trading symbols as well. So see how these trading symbols are buy, sell? Just really interesting things here, by the way. hold on, let's see if we can get a max or min return out of this. Okay, it's cool. So you can sort by max return, right? And for example, these are the trading symbols that Ortex has. So this is a buy symbol on box L or tough built, right? So because these are buy symbols, the direction is buy. I can technically set my alerts to only calls on these tickers so that when they ping, you buy calls on these tickers. And, you know, odds are if it has a holding period of 14 days and you bought a call in the last 2 days and you're holding on to it, you know, you could make a mean return of 67.85% with a call contract. That's like 6,000%. So just looking out for you guys, I think that this is going to be like a really, really good way that we can just take our profits to the entire next level. And likewise, if this says sell and the mean return is 33%, I feel like we could just set puts and then just play puts against it. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think about this. I think that we can definitely use Ortex and kind of complement the system that we already have, and it's one of the reasons why I got it. I think maybe like half the symbols we're going to use are going to be buys and sells with the you know, sorted by mean return, and I think the other half of the symbols are going to be short squeeze calls. So if this interests you, if you think that this is going to be a good addition to like what we're already doing, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have anything that you want me to Ortex search or that you want to be in the next video for the pre-market or at post-market, you want me to check short interest on stocks, you want me to tell you what trading symbols I'm seeing before market open, any information that's going to be useful to you as a trader that I can provide you for free, content that I can provide you, value that I can provide you for free, let me know so that I can put it in my videos and make sure that all my viewers are getting something out of these videos. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is Major Tom as always, and happy Monday. Peace.